the connection between soul, body, sleep, and death. Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. The connection between soul, body, sleep, and death. Do you know? Do you know that when you sleep, a portal opens that connects you to your past lives and six other you who exist in other worlds? Yeah, at the same time. You may sometimes see yourself or people you don't even know, and even people who belongs to your past lives in your dreams. That's why I say don't interpret your dreams by someone else. Your dream messages are only for you, and that's it. Messages are only for you, and that's it. What you have to do, you have to write your dreams. Yes, you have to write down your dreams, because your dreams are very important to help you in your life path. When your body sleeps, your soul wakes up and it even moves away from your body. It makes journeys. But when the soul is gone, a silvery, white silk thread of light connects your body and your soul. As long as there is a connection between your body and your soul, through this silver white silk band, you know, your soul can return to your body. But unfortunately, if the connection broke, the soul and the body will separate from each other, and your body cannot continue life on earth without your soul, or your soul without your body. So your soul tries and searches for your body, and what I wanted to tell you is, don't trust the liars. There are so many liars who told you about this, you are not your body, you are just a soul. No, you should take care of your body, because your body is so important. Do not listen to liars. You have to take care of your body, because You know, if you get stuck in the wrong path, who call 3 a.m. as spiritual, and they're lying. Because in 3 a.m. darkness, through the displaced and dark entities, evil creatures and spirits, they can disturb your soul and your body and cause problems in the connection between your soul and your body, such as suicidal thoughts or terrible diseases and severe depression. These displaced and dark entities, dark spirits, evil ones, wave in ambulances in hospitals, because they know that when someone dies, the portal opens, like when you sleep. You know, energies don't lie. Energy can help you, energy can harm you. There are good energies, there are bad energies, and that's true. You cannot tell, oh, I don't believe in spirits. They don't exist. They are exists around you, everywhere, everywhere. If you tell this that I do not trust, I do not believe in spirits, the spirits will take that as a challenge and they will harm you. And if you have very low energy, they can harm you. Danger. So be very careful. You know, when someone dies, the portal opens like sleep. Good souls try to go to the light, to the portal, to the love, to the source. But I told you, there are good souls, there are bad souls, there are good spirits, there are bad spirits, there are good energies, there are bad energies. Evil ones want to use, when the portal opens and someone dies, bad energies, evil ones want to use that person's body, soul, and energy. So you have to be very careful. Yes. If you want to ask a question, write a comment for me. And like, share, subscribe if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel. Dear Unique, always remember, God's power is the highest power. Yes. And there is only one you. So be in the shelter of God's love, Paramatma, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Amira Rani.